it is day 4 of our 4 days till Christmas. Do you hear that? What? I have a call. Excuse me. Are you kidding me? It's Four Curds calling. You want me to do what? With what? Hi. That was interesting. That was Four Curds a-calling. The only curds I know in a recipe is for poutine, and curds are difficult to come by. No wonder they're messaging me for help. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to make poutine bites or poutine snacks using tater tots and pretzels. And then we'll make a nice gravy drizzle over the whole batch. Poutine dessert for the 4th day of Christmas. We're going to start with making a little Poutot, actually using tater tots. In each of these wells, there's 4 calling curds, Poutzels. We're using pretzels and Pou-Tots, so Poutzels. Shout out to Spacey Doodle out there for coming up with a spin on naming this. So this is a variation of that. I'm going to pour myself a coffee, and hopefully nobody else calls. Ready. Let's put these in the oven. These will cook for about 20 minutes until they're softened. So let's see how these do. Okay, timer's on. There we have it. Let's just wait, enjoy, relax, put on some Christmas tunes, just chill, have an eggnog, and we'll be right back. They're ready. I'm going to squash these, press them into the bottom of the tin so they kind of mesh. All right. Perhaps more would fill a cup, but all right, that's a good start. Just like that. Let's put these back in for another 10 minutes until these toast a little bit more. Is that the phone ringing again? Oh my goodness. Are those curds talking? Are they trying to squeak? Hello? Oh my goodness. Oh, well that's good. I was hoping you'd curd. I haven't curd for you for a long time. I have to squeak to you later. All right. I'm in the middle of a recipe. Thank you. My goodness, those cheese curds. I'm going to let these cool. In the meantime, I'm going to work on some gravy. Now, poutine gravy traditionally is a beef gravy. I'm excited to make these again. Heinz's home-style beef gravy. Woo! I'm just going to use it up. Reheat this on the stove. It wouldn't be Canadian without a little Montreal steak seasoning. And I always like to add about a half teaspoon. You can always add more. Oh, that's going to be good. Ooh, nice. Now let's turn this on carefully. Whoa, have to be careful. And we'll just warm this up. Now, by the time you see this video, it will already have been past Gravy Day in Australia. But shout out, Gravy Day in Australia is really a big deal. Yes, with their gravy song. Yes, this is going to be so good. All right, Gravy Day. Now this has to get bubbling, or it's just not going to melt the curds. Ooh, the gravy's almost ready. It has to be hot. I have some room temperature small curds. I'm going to put a little bit of cottage cheese on the bottom there. I'm going to put a little drizzle of gravy on this. Ooh. I'm going to try some of these pretzels The bottom of the base there makes it look like fries. This is our Poutzels. Ooh, that's interesting. Okay, look, there's our Poutzels. Some cheese. Let's use some. This is Fiesta blend. Put some gravy on that. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. This is a Pou-Tot variation. Okay, so we got Poutzels, Pou-Tot. One more. Let's use these other pretzels from before. Oh, a Merry Christmas Poutzels. Now it's like a proper Poutzels. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true north gave to me 4 calling curds, 3 French toasts, 2 turtlenecks, and a partridge in a pear tart. This is the one with the cottage cheese, the hot gravy, and a little bit more Montreal steak spice. Uniquely different. Can't wait to try these other ones. Hello? I told you to stop squeaking me. Until next time, do take care. And don't forget, I wonder what day 5 is going to be tomorrow. Au revoir.